We're making SOBOLO, SOBO drink or hibiscus drink today. Hello everyone. Thank you once again for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Yes, as I said, we're making ZOBO drink, a healthy one of course, and a very simple recipe, and you will love it. So now without wasting my time, let's get started. Alright, so this is my hibiscus flower, and I'm going to start by washing it very well because it sometimes comes with sand, so washing it is really necessary right here. Okay, so now let's wash it and set it aside. Alright, so while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are done washing the hibiscus flower. Alright, so next I'm going to be using ginger as well. Moving forward, I'm also going to be using dried pepper, and you can omit the pepper if you don't want it to become too spicy and use just the ginger. Okay, so next I'm also going to be using cucumber and also pineapple as well. I'm also going to be using lemongrass. You can omit this lemongrass, but trust me, when you add it to your ZOBO drink, you will love the taste very well. And not just that, it's very medicinal as well. Okay, so next in my big pots, I will go in with my hibiscus flower, and also I'll add some water to it as well. I'm really making a lot of ZOBO drink today, so I'll go in with a lot of water. I will cover it and allow it to rest for about 30 to 40 minutes. So whilst that is going on, we also want to begin by peeling the skin from the pineapple, just the way you see it on the screens right now. The pineapple skin is very healthy, so I want to discard it. If you want to discard it, that's just fine. Remember to wash yours with some salt or vinegar to get rid of the bacteria. Okay, alright, so this is what we have now. So next I'm going to cut the pineapple into little pieces, just the way you see it in the screens right now, because I'm going to blend it, and you have to cut it according to how your blender works. Okay, so moving forward, I'm also going to cut some cucumber as well. For the cucumber, I'm going to blend half of it, and the other half I'm going to add it to the ZOBO drink to cook alongside with it. So this is after 30 minutes. We are back to check on our drink, and as you can see, it looks very deep right now. So moving forward, I'll go in with the skin of the pineapple, and also I'll go in with some cucumber and the lemongrass. I'll stir everything well. I'll cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 30 minutes. So whilst that is going on, we're also going to blend the pineapple, cucumber, ginger, and dried pepper, and afterwards I'll strain everything nicely, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And with the chaff that will come from the cucumber, ginger, and pepper, I'm not going to discard it. I'll add it to the ZOBO drink on fire. Okay, so now let's strain it, and whilst that is done, we'll add it to the ZOBO drink. So whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. And if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first persons to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. We are back to check on our SOBO drink, and after 40 minutes, this is how it looks like. It's been cooking on low medium heat, and I just love the color right now. At this point, it smells really good as well. So I'm going to allow this to cool down completely, and afterwards I'll go ahead and strain it to get rid of the chaff. Alright, so we are done straining the juice, and this is the chaff. I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to go in with a little bit of water, and I'll soak it for about 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes it should be a little bit deep for me to strain again. Okay, so afterwards, this is how the SOBO drink looks like. It looks very smooth and just perfect. So next I'll go in with my blended pineapple, cucumber, ginger and pepper juice. This will give the SOBO drink a very nice taste. And for my flavor of choice, I'll go in with some pineapple flavor and also some coconut flavor as well. For the coconuts, I used to, but unfortunately I lost the clips where I was adding in the second one. I also go in just a little bit of vanilla essence. It is totally optional. And with this ZOBO drink, I didn't go in with any sugar because the taste was okay for me, and also I think it was because of the pineapple and coconut flavor that I added to it. It's just fine for me. But if you taste it and you want to go in with sugar, why not? Feel free to add it because everything right here is totally to your taste. So now we are done with the ZOBO drink, so I'll go in with some chopped cucumber as well. Trust me, if you're making this ZOBO drink for parties, then this ZOBO drink is one in a million. You need to make this for your guests. Your guests are really going to love this ZOBO drink very well. So now let's serve ourselves and enjoy. I hope you're going to try this recipe, and also leave a comment in the comment section for me to know what you think about this ZOBO drink as well. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do it to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.